There's a little known setting inside Google Merchant Center that can instantly make your shopping ads stand out, and hardly anyone is using it. It takes just a few minutes to set up, and once you do it, it could lead to higher click-through rates, more traffic, and ultimately more sales. And you're probably not doing this yet, but you really should be. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it is, how to set it up, and why it matters. By the way, I'm Daryl Mander, founder of BigFlare. We've helped generate over $150 million in revenue for e-commerce stores using Google Ads, and today I'm going to show you one of the fastest, easiest optimizations you can make for your Google shopping ads. All right, let's jump into it. All right, guys, so here we are in Google Merchant Center next, and the first thing you want to do is come over to your products over here on the left-hand sidebar. Then find the first product that you would like to optimize with this technique and click into the product to open it up. Click Edit Product, and then now we're on the product details page where we can edit details about this product. And what you want to do next is scroll all the way down to the bottom, and under Additional Details, you are going to find this Product Highlights. And you can click this button here to add in more. And what you want to do is fill out these product highlights with between 5 to 10 punchy and clear product highlights, things that are benefits about your product, USPs about your product, anything that really stands out about your product and would make people more likely to click and be interested in your product over your competitors. So let's enter in a few product highlights right here. Let's go with breathable soft cotton with stretch. Let's go flat faux wrap with elastic waist. Go with ethically sourced, fair trade made. So you want to fill out product highlights just like this and go for 5 to 10 of these, and then simply click the save button over here and you are done. You have now improved this product listing and improved its CTR and potential to get more clicks. Let's talk about why this is so powerful. With shopping ads, you don't get to write headlines or descriptions like you do in search ads. Your product feed is essentially your ad creative. That means that product titles, images, pricing, and now product highlights are key tools you've got to influence whether someone clicks through to your site instead of to your competitors. And these product highlights, they're one of the only places where you've got a lot of space to actually talk to the customer about benefits, not just specs. Plus, Google's rolling this out more widely recently, but barely anyone is using it yet, which gives you an easy opportunity to get ahead of your competition. Here's an example of how product highlights can look on mobile devices. What you're going to get is this bunch of bullet points below your images that allow you to tell the user the core benefits and USPs of your product. Google will typically display 3 or 4 highlights on the main page of your listing, and will give the user the option to click to view more of them. A few quick tips before you start adding these. First, keep them short. There is a 150 character limit on these, but think of that as the max limit, not the goal. Keep them short, keep them punchy. You want to highlight key benefits that matter to your customer. Ask yourself, what would make someone choose my product over the others? Maybe it's fast shipping, maybe it's a better return policy. Maybe your product is handmade or ethically sourced. Whatever it is, call it out. And don't stuff these with keywords. This isn't for ranking, this is for persuading. Focus on clarity and impact, not gaming the system. You can add up to 100 product highlights if you really want, but that's overkill, and I recommend aiming to write around 10 per product. So there you go, one quick tweak inside Google Merchant Center that could genuinely improve your shopping ads. Give it a try today and keep an eye on your shopping campaign click-through rate over the next week or so. You might be surprised by what happens. And if you like this quick win, I think you'll love this next video up here where I share the exact strategies we're using to get above 700% return on ad spend in e-commerce Google Ads. It's packed with strategies that you can put into action right away, so go check it out and I'll see you on the next one.